Hello, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. How do you do today? How was your flight? I think you have a wonderful flight, right? Welcome to Indonesia, to the one of biggest country in the world that have a lot of island and city. First of all, let me introduce myself. My full name is Miftah Aulia, but you can call me Miftah. I'm a legal tour guide of Indonesian Tourist Guide Association of West Java Province. On behalf of my company, Pasundan Tour and Travel, I will be your guide during this trip and provide all your needs. Welcome to Soekarno-Hatta International Airport, the primary airport serving the Jakarta metropolitan area on the island of Java in Indonesia. Name of this airport was taken from the first President and Vice President of Indonesia, Sukarno and Muhammad Hatta. This airport is located at Tangerang, Banten Province, which is about 20 km northwest of central Jakarta. And this airport ranked as the busiest airport in Southeast Asia and ranked as the most connected airport in the world. It is your first time going to Indonesia, right? But have you know a little bit about Indonesia before? Or maybe you know about Indonesia? Okay, let me tell you about Indonesia. Indonesia is a country in Southeast Asia, located in between of Asia and Australia continents, and also in between of Pacific and Indian Oceans. Indonesia is one of the biggest country in the world that has over 17,000 islands and has a very large population, more than 200 people from any cultural background here. Indonesia have another name or well known as Nusantara and was very familiar because of the nature, culture, and all the diversity here. And now, you are in Jakarta, in the capital city of Indonesia, or well known as metropolitan area. This city is one of the best cities in Indonesia because this is the center of economy, culture, politics of Indonesia. But you should know that Jakarta is the smallest province among any Indonesian province. In Indonesia and also in Jakarta, we use the Western Indonesia time, GMT plus 7. And now, it's 10 o'clock in Jakarta. You may change your time to 10 o'clock to help you while in Jakarta. And in Indonesia, we have two seasons, a dry season and a wet season. Mostly, the dry season falls between May to October, and the wet season falls between November to April. The currency that we use in Indonesia is rupiah, and there are two kinds of currency that we use. It's a coin and paper. The smallest one is 100 in a coin shape, and the biggest one is 100,000 in a paper shape. And when you are in Jakarta, I would like to give some tips that will help for all of you. Tips of travel do and do not in Indonesia. I will start from what does the travel do. The first one is, if you meet a new people, you can do handshake with your right hand. But if you meet a Muslim man or woman, it's the different. Because some Muslim men or women, mostly they will just nod, smile, and clap their hand. The next one is, you need to respect when Muslim Indonesians are praying. They pray 5 times in a day, and when they are pray in the mosque, they use a loudspeaker. You will hear clearly, especially for those of you who stay in nearby mosque. And the third one is, when you are crossing, whether you use zebra cross or not, you need to use your right hand or your left hand to stop the cars. Crossing the road in Indonesia can be quite challenging. And the next is, don't forget to smile. Do you know that Indonesian are the world's friendliest people? So don't forget to give your smile. And now, what's travel do not? The first one is, do not speak loudly to Indonesian people. They might think you are rude. And the second one, never use your left hand for anything. And then the third one is, do not complain or disturb when Indonesians are praying, because in here, religion is the most sensitive topic in Indonesia. And then the last one is, do not force Indonesian people to drink beer or alcohol, because mostly we are not drink beer, wine or alcohol. It's quite enough the information about Indonesia and the general things about Indonesia. Yep, because I have another great information for all of you about the place that we will visit. Are you ready? But before that, I would like to tell you about our schedule. And today, we are going to a national monument as a landmark of Jakarta. And you can enjoy the atmosphere. And then we are going to hotel for check-in and for dinner. And you will take a rest. In the next day, you will go to a national museum and national gallery. And beside that, you will go to Ancol Dreamlands area. Okay, first I would like to give you information about national monument, or in Indonesia, Monumen Nasional or Monas. It is a landmark of Jakarta. The monument is symbolizing the fight for Indonesia and to remember the struggle of Indonesian independence. The top of the monument is covered with gold, and the monument is open daily from Tuesday to Sunday, because in Monday they are closed. And the monument open start from 8 a.m. until 4 p.m. And don't worry, you can go to the National Monument or Monas in the night. And when you arrive in Monas, you will feel the atmosphere, and you can go walk inside the monument to see the history and another story about Indonesia and Jakarta. And then you can go to the top of the monument, but you need to wait your turn in the line patiently. And then after enjoying Monas or National Monument, you will take a dinner in the hotel, and the hotel we use is Indonesia Kempinski Jakarta. It's one of the best hotel in Jakarta. In the hotel, there are a restaurant that will provide Indonesian food for your dinner. You can try several menu of Indonesian food, and then after dinner, you can go to your room and take a rest. And don't forget, you can see a welcoming statue from your window of your room. I think that's enough for today. We can start our trip in the next day. Okay, see you. Hello, good morning. How was your breakfast? Good, right? Okay, now we will continue our trip. Are you ready? Of course, you must ready. Today, we will go to National Museum and National Gallery. I will tell you about National Museum first. National Museum of Indonesia, popularly known as the Elephant Museum. Yep, because there are elephant statues in its forecourt. The museum, regarded as one of the most complete and the best in Indonesia, as well as one of the finest museums in Southeast Asia. Wow! The museum located in Jalan Medan Merdeka Barat, Central Jakarta, near our hotel. The museum serves several kinds of collection, such as archaeological, historical, ethnological, and geographical. The museum has preserved about 141,000 objects from any kinds of collection, such as prehistoric artifacts, archaeology, history, geography, ethnography collection. And the museum has comprehensive collection of stone statues of classical Hindu-Buddhist period of ancient Java and Sumatra, as well as quite extensive collection of Asian ceramics. In the museum, you can see a lot of collection with the information from the local guide. And when you enter the gate, the security will check your body and your bag to prevent bad things. And you are not allowed to bring your bag to the museum, but don't worry, you can place your bag in the deposit box, and then you can take your bag after you finish walk around the museum. And then after enjoying the atmosphere of National Museum, I will take you to the one of the best restaurant in Jakarta. The name of the restaurant is Oasis, that located in the Jakarta city center. The restaurant with the setting of a Dutch colonial building and filled with several art objects. You can enjoy the Indonesian or European cuisine in the restaurant. And then after finish our lunch, then we will see a beautiful arts by Indonesian painters. The name was National Gallery, a place where store, collect, and display works of fine art, painting, sketch, photography, and others. The gallery have more over than 1,000 of arts collection by Indonesian and international artists. The other activity that usually the gallery's team create are exhibition, event, contest, workshop, or educational guiding for students and people. Wow! When you come to the gallery, you need to prepare your camera because you can take a photo as much as you can in the gallery. And the gallery is daily open from 9 a.m. until 4 p.m. I think that's enough for today. We can continue our trip in the next day. Okay? See you! Hello, good morning ladies and gentlemen. Are you ready for today? Of course you are. Today, I will take you to the Jakarta's largest and most popular recreation park, named as Ancol Dreamland. It is an extensive range of attractions that include a beach, giant oceanarium SeaWorld, and a water park, a lagoon, and convention hall and hotels. And of course, the most popular theme park, Fantasy World, or Dunia Fantasi in Indonesia. And we will go to the beach that you can feel the atmosphere of the beach by doing a marine recreation. You don't need to worry because all the facilities in the sea are provided. And you don't need to worry because lot of stalls will serving drinks and snacks along the beach for you. Wow, quite interesting, right? And besides that, we will having a lunch in the local restaurants that serving local and international dishes with several serving and seafood as their specialty. And you can enjoy your meal in the restaurant with a beach view, and you need to try the beverage es kelapa muda or young coconut ice drink, that the most favorite beverage in the restaurant. And after that, you can continuing the atmosphere of the beach until you see the sunset. And after that, we will going to Grand Indonesia, that an integrated multi-purpose complex at Tamrin Road that consists of a shopping mall, office tower, and 5-star hotel. Grand Indonesia Shopping Mall is located near our hotel, so you can go walk around in the shopping mall and we will have a dinner at the hotel. Well, unfortunately, this is our last trip because tomorrow you need to prepare to take a flight. But it's okay. Thank you so much for today. You need to take a rest and have a nice dream. See you tomorrow. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Unfortunately, this is your last day in Jakarta because today you will take a flight to your hometown and our trip finish. How about Indonesia, especially Jakarta? Quite unique and interesting, right? Yep, and this is Jakarta, the capital city and the center point of the activity of Indonesia, with love of office building, museum, tourist attraction, and many more. I'm happy that I can provide all the things you need during in Jakarta. Hope you get a wonderful experience and wonderful story from our trip. I think that's all the information I can provide for all of you. I would like to say thank you for your attention and cooperation during this trip with me, and I would like to say a big sorry for all the mistake I have done. Thank you so much for choosing Pasundan Tour and Travel for your trip in Indonesia, especially in Jakarta. Hope you will be safely arrive in your hometown and will share your experience to people there. Hope we can meet in another trip. Once again, thank you so much and see you later, good people. Have a safe flight. Bye-bye.